Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see Shelve module in Python which enables us to have persistent data storage of key value pairs. One of the disadvantage of using pickle module is that we have to work with the complete object, means we have to serialize the complete object and then store it into the file and deserialize the same object and use it in our program. What if we have a dictionary object for which we want to store only certain key value pairs inside the file and later use this key value pairs? Then instead of using a pickle module, we can use Shelve module. Shelve module provides shelf object, which is a dictionary like object which enables us to store the key value pairs inside the file and later retrieve the same key value pair from the file. Let us understand this by example. For using shelf module, we are importing shelf module. In the first statement, we have imported shelf module. Using the shelf module, we have opened a file my shelf in both reading and writing mode, and we have created a shelf object as is a dictionary like object. We can store the value as key value pair. So if for street we have stored a value main road, for city we have stored a value as New Delhi. In the same session, we are retrieving the value. For keys in S, we are printing the values for that key. Syntax is S in square bracket key. This will print the values for the keys. If you want to print the keys only, run the loop on the object S and print keys. Click on the cell, run the cell, this will print keys, and we will close the file. What we have done, we have stored the data into the file using key value pairs. The key value pairs are serialized and stored in the file. Now we will deserialize the key value pairs and use it in our program. For this, we have to create a shelf object. So shelf.open, we are opening the same file from which data is to be retrieved. Using the syntax similar to a dictionary, we are retrieving the values. So for shelf object S, for this key, the value will be retrieved from the file. The key value pair will be deserialized, and for the given key, value will be printed. Same for city, key value pair will be deserialized and the value for city will be printed, and we close the file. So we have achieved data storage as a key value pair inside a shelf file and retrieve the same data from the shelf file using key value pairs. That's it regarding this video. We have seen Shelve module. Its advantage is we can have a persistent data storage using key value pairs. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.